What do you got? Oh, what is that? What is that, Kira?
Mickey.
Mickey?
Minnie?
A Minnie? It's pretty. Oh, lippy stuff. All right, your favorite. It's stuck.
Hey, open, Mommy.
Sure, honey. Two lippies? Ooh, wow.
I'll do it.
Good job. Look at how pretty you are. Good job.
Hey, open.
Well, you just need one right now. Just one. What else is in the box? What else is in the box? What else did Grandma send you?
I started in there.
What is it? Open it. A shirt? Oh, Dane perfume. Tell Grandma, look at me and say thank you, Grandma. Say thank you, Grandma. Say thank you, Grandma. Just say it. Grandma's not there. See, she's not there. It's Kira. Say thank you, Grandma. Say thank you. I love my lippy stuff.
No.
Say I love my lippy stuff.
No, stop. No, stop my car.
Okay. What else is in the box? Let's go look. Come here. Oh, I see more pretties. You want to see? Look, this is a card. You want to open your card? Oh, that's for your juice.
Right there. Right there.
Yeah, that's for your juice. Here, you want to open your card? Here, open your card.
What's it? What's it? What's it? What's it? Hey, open, Mommy. Hey, open, Mommy. Makeup. Making makeup. Making makeup. My
Say bye, Grandma.
Bye, Grandma.
Say love you.
Love you.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Wave bye.
Bye.
Say see you soon.
See you soon.
Good job, honey.